This is the work of Can you sing it? Sing it. Sing the excavator. Say, this is the work that Earth Layer loves, because that's what an excavator does. Yeah. See how long his... You want to turn it on? Want to turn it on? Mommy will do it. I'll turn it on.
Okay.
Okay, I'll turn it on.
Okay. Mama.
Okay, thanks, hon. Graham, are you dancing? Oh, look at that leg kick. You dancing? Yeah?
No.
No? Gipson, tell in the camera, tell Grandma and Grandpa, tell them what you did today all by yourself this morning.
Grandma and Grandpa, I did something very good. I did something very good today.
Tell them, what did you do?
I put my clothes on all by myself.
Yeah! I'm so proud of you. Show them your outfit. Got a dinosaur shirt on, some shorts, and some socks, and underwear. Good spin. Aw, proud of you guys. Want to watch Excavator? You want to watch Excavator?
Yeah.
You say exactly.
Exactly.
Wait, no. Bobby, say it again. Look here. Look here. Do you want to watch Excavator?
Yeah.
Yeah, say
Yeah.
exactly.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's exactly what you want to do, huh?
Yeah.
That's your-
Exactly.
exactly. That's his new favorite word. He's been saying exactly. Say exactly, Graham.
Exactly, Gipson.
That's right. Exactly. Oh, look at those toes. Squealy boys.
Really happy boy.